The real reason for trading forex isn't working. The main reason you came to the forex market is to make profit, but that's not working. You stare at your chart every day, you try to make smart trade, you follow all the rules, yet money keeps disappearing. You are not alone. 78% of traders can't even make $100 to $500 a month. Not because they are not smart, not because they don't try, but because they keep making three basic mistakes. Number one, trading on emotions. Number two, random guesses. Number three, chasing losses. Does this sound familiar? If you have been doing any of this, you probably feel lost. Maybe you started trading with high hopes. Maybe you believe it will be different now. But the last time you deposited, you still lost the money. Every time you want to deposit, you have high hopes, but it's still the same repeated cycle. You run to YouTube watching countless videos, but nothing to show for it. You watch others win while you keep struggling. Even your mentor is posting consistent profits on a status, but every time your own is losses. You have tried different strategy, different indicators, but it's not working. This isn't how trading is supposed to be. Now, I'm introducing to you a free trading mechanical training program by the Kingmaker FX, which is targeted in trading 200 traders for the first batch of March. The training is on mechanical trading system. Now, what we learn exactly from the system? Where to trade, where to exit the trade, what pair to trade, where to set your stop loss, what time frame to trade. All these things will be put in place for you, because clarity eliminates what? Confusion. Exact rules equal to exact consistent results. This is how you finally become profitable, just like a robot being programmed to do something. Now, the second training in the month of March is for traders who have a system but it's not working for them due to emotion. They have rules but they are scared to follow their emotion. This can be mentors who are advertising for people to come and become profitable, but them themselves are not profitable. You can be a crypto trader, a stock trader. You bought a coin, you quickly sell, you are scared even though you know it will go up. This training is for you. 2, we will teach you how to manage your emotion and how to follow a consistent profit. Now, what will you achieve for this training? You will know how to follow a system. You will have a less free trading system where you will not be staying at the chart for morning to night, and overall profit. Remember, this training is free. What do you need for this training? You need a capital. Now that capital is a training capital, not for me. This is a free training, and you need to be tired of your condition, and you want a simple trading strategy that work. The link is in the description, the WhatsApp link. Join the WhatsApp group and get a free training. Kingmaker FX is here to empower traders. Have a nice day.